We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be doing a quick review of the Kizer Justice. It is a new flipper from Kizer Cutlery. Let's go ahead and give you the close-up. We'll tell you a little bit about it while we're showing it to you. It is 8.75 inches overall. Blade length is 3 3/4. Blade thickness is about 0.13. It is a drop point with a flat grind, satin finish, and a plain edge. G10 handles. Comes in several different varieties. Stainless steel liners. Pocket clip. Has a little design here on the pocket clip. That's not a misnomer. You can tell by looking at the different color in the middle. Can be deployed from thumb stud or with the flipper. It is ambidextrous, so you can go left or right with a tip-up carry, hence the dual thumb stud, so you can catch it from either side. The liners are milled to cut down on weight. Makes it 5.1 ounce. Has a lanyard hole. Removable glass break. There's jimping on top and in this area to help with your grip when cutting. We'll show you that in a few minutes when it's actually in use. I think I mentioned that the handles are G10 and it is a Linerlock. The flipper stud also blocks your hand from sliding forward. It does have a choil, but you have to have a smaller hand to make it usable. And of course, this is a manual. Go ahead and grab some paracord here. The handle on this is a nice 4.875, so just short of 5 inches. The blade material is N690. As you can see, it cuts pretty smoothly. Let's show it when we do a pull back cut. Same thing there. There's no fraying, which is a good sign. As I mentioned, this is a drop point blade. Let's go ahead and show you how she'll cut. As you can see, it's very sharp out of the box, even on the point. Tell there, it cuts pretty smoothly. It'll also do well on the stabbing cuts and piercing cuts, due to the fact that it is a drop point and the blade is has a nice thick spine that keeps you from pulling it in too far as you're pushing it. The knife will just pull right along and cut. That's a nice feature in design. I don't know if I mentioned or not that this pocket clip is considered a deep carry pocket clip, so it should hide it pretty much all the way in your pocket, if that's your style. That seems to be the style nowadays. Being that this knife is N690, it should be easy to sharpen and should stay sharp. So once again, this is the Kizer Justice. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife or subscribe to our channel. Won't be disappointed, plenty of content there. If you're watching on Instagram, give us a follow, we'd love to have you. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.